Okay, so let's start with quantifying the CHB according to the fundamental method. So, kaning fundamental method or this is not volume method rather. This is the CHB pamanta, napamanta sa CHB, wala pa ta sa cement o katong sa mortar nga part. So, for the CHB, iyang gina-consider diri is the number of layers and the number of blocks per layer. So, yung ginatanaw diri for the fundamental method is the number of layers and the number of CHBs per layer. This is the fundamental method. Okay, so let's begin. So we have an example here. A fence made of concrete hollow block has a general dimension of 30 meters high by 4 meters long. Determine the number of CHB. So we have a wall, 3 by 4 iyang area. And then you're asked to find pila ka bog CHB, no? Pila ka bags of cement, pila ka cubic meter of sand required to construct the wall. So this is the wall. So kung yung tanaw lang wall, you need to inspect the wall kay po magbasa mo mag plans. So diri sa ibabaw na 4 meters pasabot, the distance from that end to this end is 4 meters. Karon kung yung tanaw diri nga pikas nga side no, we have 3 meters and then we have the 0.5 meters. Tapos na nakabutang diri nga floor line and footing line. Unsa may pasabutan na cell. So from the footing line, this is the footing, di ba? And then this is the floor line. So sa ato pa di ay si wall di ay nagikan siya sa footing pasaka. No, wala siya naglay ang wall on the beams. Naglay siya sa tinatawag natong wall footing. So from the wall footing up to the ground level, the floor level or the floor line, that is 0.5. Sir, unsa man ni siya, sir? I-add na mo si 3 og si 0.5. Now, next na yung tanawon is kaning ko ano. Kani siya. The dimension lines. Kung nyo makita, yang gitudlo diri no from that is at the top of the wall and then ni-extend siya paingon diri. So, sa may pasabot ana sa ato pa, gikan sa ibabaw hantod sa footing line, that is 3 meters. So, pasabot, dili na i-add si 0.5 because si 0.5 apil na siya sa ato ang 3 meters. So, yan na. Now, what if ang 3 meters tama na diri ana as presented by the plans? Yan na din nakabutang 0.5. So, mo na din to, na din to nimo i-add. So, the overall height of the wall is 3.5 meters if ang dimension line tama na siya diri, no? Tama na siya sa floor line and then I separate din nga dimension line on that specific part. But for this example, aning example, ang kinatasan o kinaubsan no, of the wall is 3 meters as presented by this example. Okay, so by the fundamental method, usaon na nato pagkuha. So we divide the height of the fence by the height of one block, the length of the fence by the length of one block, and then multiply si step 1 o si step 2. Unsaon man na. Diba inyo na dumduman, si CHB, pila man yung dimension, diba? By the way, no, this if we are going to use the, for this example, let's use the 4 inches CHB. That is 100 millimeters thick na CHB or 0.10 meters. Okay. So for example, we have 4 inches or 0.10 meters. And then the height is 8 inches. That is 0.20 meters. And then the length of the CHB is 0.4 meters. Okay, so ano na? Ang step 1, ang height daw ni fence is i-divide sa height sa usa ka CHB. So let's have the 2D view, no? We have 0.4 meters and then the height of CHB is 0.2 meters. So first step is the height. So diri makuha na to ang number of layers. So the height of the fence is 3 meters i-divide nimo sa height of one block. Ang height sa usa ka CHP is 0.2 meters. So from here, nakay makuha nga 15 layers. So from the bottom up to sa ibabaw, 15 ka layer na siya. Ang step 2, imong makuha diri is the number of blocks per layer. So ang length daw ko ni wall, i-divide mo sa length sa usa ka CHP. So ang total length ni wall is 4 meters man. I-divide nimo sa 0.4 meter, which is the length of one CHP. That is equal to 10 blocks per layer or 10 CHP per layer. Let's change that na. Muna lang nato ng CHP. 10 CHP per layer. Now, if you multiply this, you'll get the total number of CHP. So you have the 15 layers. Multiply it with 10 CHP per layer. Diba? If you look at the units, makancel ang layers. And then the total number of CHP required para ani nga wall is 150 CHP. Ano ra? This is just the fundamental method, no? The height is divided with the total height is divided with the height sa usa ka CHP. The length, total length is divided by the length of usa ka CHP. Multiply the two, you get the number of CHP required for this wall. Now, sir, what if, take note kung sa CHP gani ang istoryahan, what if, sir, naana siya butang lugar na future calculations, ang nigawas is 432.33. Once gani nga na, di mo ka makapalit og 0.33 nga CHP, assume whole number that is 433 CHP, no? 433 pieces. Okay, na lang, that is the getting the number of CHP. Now, by area method, sa man area method, cell. Okay. Tanawa ni. Butang na to, no, mo ni si wall. 1 by 1 ni siya. 1 meter height and 1 meter ang length, ani nga wall. Sa 1 by 1 nga wall or 1 square meter, actually the area of this one is 1 square meters. Sa 1 square meter, pila man kabuok CHP ang maigo. So kay mo nang ibutang dira tanan ng CHP, no, we have this kani mga CHP ni sila. Ang number of CHP in 1 square meter is 12.5, no? 12.5 pieces per square meter. This is the number of CHP per square meter. So sa ka square meter, 12.5 na ka CHP. No, niya sir, kay kuan man na sir nganong kani kay gipatindog man na niya, di man taga patindog on site. Now, kani kung imo nang ilahos ana lugar kay nganong gipatindog lagi daw. Same ra gyapon og counting, no? We have 1 half, 1 half, 1 half, 1 half, and 1 half. So you have 10, tapos 11, 12.5. Kaya na lang gyapon niyang kuan. Same ra. Ang usa ka square meter na ay 12.5 pieces of CHP. So by kuan, by area method, dali na kayo just get the wall area and then multiply the area to the number of CHP per square meter. So first step, the area is 3 meters by 4 meters, which is equal to 12 square meters. And then to get the number of CHP, multiply na nimo. You have the 12 square meters times the 12.5 CHP per square meters. That is equal to 150 CHP. So kanina pwede ra na siya by piece or CHP or blocks, depende. So pwede ra gyapon nga pieces. So for this specific wall, 150 pieces ato ang required to complete this project, no, this specific wall. 150 ka CHP. But take note, kani si 150 CHP, untop ra gyud na. Complete wall nga na mao gyud na siya mahuman ang wall by this specific number, no? Wala kay allowance ani 150. Now, what will happen if na-breakage no mga buak si kuan si HB kinairo nagtamak or whatsoever nahulog unsa bay mga reasons, we can add a wastage allowance for that one. We can have an allowance of 2% to 3%. So for this specific example, so let's say we natay 2% allowance, we just multiply the 150 pieces to 1.02. So for this specific example, kinahanglan ka og at least 150 pieces of CHB for the project to be completed, considering nga na ay kanato ni mga breakage no buak CHB hindi na siya magamit. And then we have 3 additional allowance for this specific example.